we're back in Alexandria. Okay. I was listening to the defect detector on the conductor's radio. Alright. You already know who I am. We're back in Alexandria. I decided to actually do a little bit of a backdrop this time. It's not as cold as last time, so that's a plus. It should be a high of 60 something today. There's a chance for storms though. It's only like a 30% chance. But we got 164 and we got 151 coming. Speaking of 151, here it is now.
Attention please. Amtrak personnel do not know what track your train will be boarding on until 5 to 10 minutes prior to arrival. Amtrak personnel will make an announcement.
Of course, now it's crooked. Now I gotta adjust the camera. Give me a second.
Attention please. This is the last call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 151. And
okay, I got it.
Road with intermediate stops. Business class and quiet car are located at the rear end of the train. Passengers should proceed to track 3. Please remove any travel documents from their envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Okay. Like I said, we are in Alexandria. I was waiting for 151 and now 164. 151 got in here first, somehow. When I got here, I missed, I think it was M301, I want to say. Yeah, no. M300. That came through when I got here. And I don't know what else is coming in today. I'll update you when I know more. Alright, so there we go, now I can actually hear. So it's now raining. You probably can't see it behind me, but it is currently now raining. It should be done by 12, but it's still like that nuisance rain that's like, it's not pouring, but there's enough of it to be like, why does this exist? But the next train we're waiting for is, I already forgot the train number. I think it's 82, but I could be wrong. Yeah, 82. We're waiting on train 82, which is coming north. I'm excited to catch a train in the fog, because here I want to show you something. Hold on. Yeah, that fog is going to be very cool. I think this is actually going to be the angle that I shoot from, right here. Just because it's raining. I don't feel like... Yeah. But, alright, I'll be back when 82 is here. It's starting to get pretty heavy now.
5 to 10 minutes prior to arrival, Amtrak personnel will make an announcement letting passengers know what track their train will be on and where to stand to board the train. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Alright, so that was, I think, 410. While I'm talking, I'm gonna check. But it is absolutely pouring right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pouring pretty good. I'm very glad that track 2 has the roof over it though. It's getting a little bit warmer, not by much. But they are scheduling thunderstorms for today. I think they said around 7 or 8, and I'm really hoping we have some, but I highly doubt it. But yep, that was M410. But yeah, it's pouring. Hold on, I gotta show y'all. I don't know how well you can see it. Come on. I know you can zoom in further than that. There you go. Honestly, if I have to, y'all might be seeing an angle from right here. It might not be good, but it's pretty wet out there. They said it's supposed to die off. They said it's supposed to die off. Excuse me. Nope, wrong way. There we go. They said it's supposed to die off around noon, I think. But, yeah, it's cold and rainy. So pictures are gonna be few and far between. I had no other update other than I think we have a southbound Amtrak and we could, God knows when, have an intermodal and a manifest coming south. Don't know when, don't know where, but it exists somewhere. So I'll be back when that exists.
Please be advised that the checked baggage is available for your train. It is recommended you take your bags to Amtrak's baggage department 45 minutes prior to departure. Passengers are allowed to check up to 2 pieces of luggage not to exceed £50 each. Amtrak's carry-on baggage policy allows 2 bags per passenger and attention please. Amtrak personnel do not know what track your train will be boarding on until 5 to 10 minutes prior to arrival.
Okay, so now I'm back outside. I had to go inside because it was raining pretty damn hard. I don't know what's next. I can check the Ashland thing. Hold 1 second. No, that's Panda. That's that. Yeah, man. Okay, so the next thing should be I-135, but I don't know when that is. I-33 or 33. Yep, that's a goddamn peak holiday season thing. 31. That should be coming in relatively soon. I mean, it's only 10:30, but that should be coming in anywhere from like 11 to 2. So we got that to look forward to. But 135. That past Ashland at 9:15, and it takes 2 hours almost exactly to get here, considering there's really no stops in between. So figure around 11:15 it should be here. That's the only update I got for you. You know what, hold on, I will do it over here just in case. Okay, I made a mistake. We have Amtrak, that's not even. I think that's level. I hope it's level. I don't know. But we have Amtrak 88 coming in any second. That's coming in on track 2, and I have it pointed this way just in case, so that way if I have to, I can just move out of the way and start taking pictures like that. But yeah, it's starting to actually warm up a little bit. The rain has finally gone away. It's now just a little bit of a mist. Speaking of rain, at the time of filming this, which is March 25th at 10:39 a.m. That doesn't matter. But last night there were 3 major tornadoes that ripped through northern Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. One of them is suspected to be over 2 miles wide, or about 2 miles wide, if not over. One of them is suspected to be about 1 mile wide. If you could please keep all the families that were affected in your thoughts and in your prayers. That would mean the world to not just me, but I'm sure to everybody else that has been affected, because that tornado, or those tornadoes that came from all the parent storm, they ripped through and they left nothing in its tracks. It's an absolute ghost town now. So I just ask that you please support in any way that you can. That scared the hell out of me, but I just ask that you support in any way that you possibly can, because it's going to take a lot to rebuild. So yeah, I know that's typically not my train talk, but just the rain brought it up. This is really the only platform that I have. Like, I have another channel, but that doesn't include it. This is more of a talking channel, so yeah, just please keep them in your thoughts and prayers. I will be back when Amtrak 88's here. Okay, so 88. I don't know what's next. I do know what is next, though, in terms of something that isn't trains, and that is Panda Express. I've been waiting 2 damn months for that. And yes, there is one person watching. You know who you are. I'm not going to say your name because you don't need to be blasted on here, but you know who you are, and I'm expecting to be yelled at for getting Chinese. Alright, so that was 135 that just went through I-135. It started raining again for a very short period of time. Now it's just kind of misty. It's cold, however, there is an update. I am going to see Amtrak 130 today. So, I mean, granted, it's trailing, but 130 is coming, so that's going to be nice. It's coming in on 20, so that should be here in about an hour and a half, I think, if not a little bit less. I'm still waiting on aisle 31 and a couple southbounds to come through, but other than that, I really don't know what's coming. All I know is that for the one person I don't know that's on the phone but is also going to watch this is very mad that I'm seeing 130 today, so that's fun. Okay, I really don't care how this looks. It's starting to rain again, even though it said it wasn't going to. And now it's that really gross, like, humid, sticky rain. I may be going home early, I don't know. I'm gonna try and stick it out for as long as I can. I might just stay until, like, aisle 30. I might just stay till, like, 2. That's it. But it's bad. I mean, it's not like it's pouring, but it's just gross and it's just, yeah. Alright, let's see you whenever the next train is. This is Amtrak 194. I don't know what's going on.
Attention please. This is the last call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 194 en route to Boston South Station with Central South.
Quite frankly, I don't care that it's still moving. Yeah, this is Amtrak 194. It's still raining, but it should be tapering off here soon. 130 should be. 130 is trailing, though I know that it's not leading, which is sad, but oh well. Personally, hot take. I like trailing. I like when heritage units trail a little bit better, solely for the reason that then it, like, if you don't say you don't know what's coming, it becomes a little bit more of a surprise if you don't know that it's there. In terms of photography, absolutely sucks when it's trailing. But if you know how to do photography, you can make it work. But I'm gonna, said I was gonna cut the day short, but it's finally starting to warm up a little bit. So even if the rain doesn't taper off, which it looks like it's just kind of misting still, but if it doesn't taper off, at least it's gonna be warm, so there's that. I'll be back on the next train, or whenever I feel like talking again and you guys have to listen to it.
not to exceed 50 pounds each. Amtrak's carry-on baggage policy allows 2 bags per passenger not to exceed 50 pounds each. Baggage exceeding this limit will not be accepted on board Amtrak trains.
Okay, as you can see, the camera is absolutely soaked in water, but I have nothing to clean it up with now other than my sweatshirt, which clearly doesn't do a good enough job. That was IO31, and I'm gonna go charge my phone now because I don't know what else is next.
Nothing special.
That's 130. Okay, so that was Amtrak 20, and the train before that was a very surprise train. That was a welded rail train that I didn't even know was going to be here. But the Amtrak 20 there, that was definitely a train that if I had the power of time travel, I'd definitely do it again. Not because it's 130, but just so I could actually get a good picture, because, you know, foamers exist. And, you know, like I was saying, foamers exist. And, well, they decided, hey, I'm gonna set up here with no regard for what you're doing or where you are. So the pictures came out horrible. Thank God I had my phone and I was able to just go stand by it quick. I should have stayed on track 2. But whatever, we have northbound 156 coming here shortly, so at least we got that. Hopefully another freight train comes. Well, unless there's a train coming when I'm filming this part of the video, this is the last bit. This is the end of the video because there is nothing train-wise today. I don't know why, but there's really nothing here. So I'm just gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna go back to the hotel and I'll upload this at some point, and then hopefully I'm back again when there's a little bit more action. But alright, see y'all in the next video, unless there's a train coming that I don't know about. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Alright, so I figured if I'm gonna keep recording, I might as well continue the vlog. I am currently just south of Albany, New York. That was 280 that just went by, and we're waiting for Amtrak 69, the Adirondack. He will be here literally any second. I can hear him currently. He's right down the rails. So I'm just gonna let this roll. Y'all can see a train from a new spot. Actually, no, it's not a new spot. In the meantime, you can listen to the plane. I'm not editing this because what's the point if the train is within earshot? My point exactly. Here we go! Amtrak 69! I don't know what's going on. Almost. Alright, just gonna wait for those gates to go up, and then I'm probably just gonna head back to Albany or something. I don't know.